Okay. Hello everyone. I am Xiangji, the leader of Bookinglet team. Our team is formed by 60 members, including 8 developers, 6 DevOps, and 2 tutors. Our project name is the same as our team name, Bookinglet, and it is aiming to create an online booking service for small businesses, such as restaurants, pet stores, and nail beauty stores. The main features of our website including the store searching, browsing the stores and their services, making bookings on the booking panel, and a booking management system for both customers and business owners. And since we have many features on our website, we will focus on the feature display in this presentation. Okay, now let our team member Derek to give you an introduction of our highlights and difficulties of our project.
Hello everyone, my name is Derek. There are many challenges in our project and we overcome them. Now I'm going to present the greatest challenges in our project, which is our shining points. The first one I want to introduce is style searching filters. In order to search the style by specific conditions in multiple pages, we designed and incorporated 9 filters, including category, date, use input, location, and so on. It's implemented by using aggregation technology in Mongoose by comparing 3 tables. Our second shining point is user appointment check and decision tree. In booking system, customer reservation determination is a core function. We use a method of pre-selection screening and confirmation to verify users' order. It uses complicated logic to query, edit, or create documents in 3 tables. In the pre-selection screening, when users enter a style and select a date, only the available services will be presented. Current service appointment info will be displayed in a visual chart, and only the available time and duration are displayed and selectable. After the order is submitted, we use a selection tree to determine if the user can book successfully. It will return a success or failure result. If successful, we put the booking information into 2 tables. If rejected, the system will show the reason. The method of pre-selection screening and confirmation can not only ensure the rigor of order determination, but also ensures the user's experience. In other words, the time that user can choose are highly possible to book successfully. The third shining point I want to talk about is the 3 tables linked in each style and the synchronized update mechanism. In our design, each style has 3 tables, including style, service, and booking records. These tables are automatically created by business owner or customer behaviors. We have an interlocked mechanism to avoid incorrect operation of business owner. It allows service hours and business hours to follow logic and rules. In addition, we have a synchronized update mechanism across service and booking records, and up to 52 documents can be automatically updated in this mechanism. Now, let's move to our DevOps team.
Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christina. I'm from the Bookinglet DevOps team, and I'm excited to present to you on behalf of our team today. For our Bookinglet project, we use a 3-tier infrastructure, including presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. For the presentation layer, we delivered our service to S3 bucket and used the CloudFront as a content delivery network to promote a consistent and faster visiting experience. For the application layer, we deployed our backend to a single region within different availability zones to prevent service failure. We also used the application load balancer to distribute traffic into different tasks when overloading for higher availability and to continuously check container status and then rerouting traffic to the working tasks for fault tolerance. To respond to real-time traffic automatically, we use the auto skillings to easily skill out our ECS Fargate tasks. When the CPU utilization reached a certain number based on our business group, and to replace unhealthy containers to prevent application failure. In addition, we use the cron to allow service to go to sleep during low traffic time to reduce our business costs. For security management, we configured the Fargate ECS task in private subnet to disable direct public access and to only allow application load balancer and net gateway to our tasks in order to enhance higher security. Regarding monitoring, we use the CloudWatch to collect our monitoring and operational data in the form of logs and metrics of our tasks. To gauge system performance and predict our business working load, we utilize the CloudWatch to watch CPU metrics and to receive alerts when our CPU utilization reached either below 20% or above 80%. For better interactive overview, we use the Grafana dashboard to ingest the data from a huge number of data sources, query this data, and display it on beautiful customizable charts for business analysis. For database layer, we created our S3 bucket to store MongoDB credentials so that our tasks can retrieve them in a way of environmental variables to enhance the database security. To ship this software to the business quickly and efficiently, we choose Jenkins as our CI/CD tool. We implemented our front end and a back-end pipeline for each development environment and production environment. For front-end pipeline, we set auto trigger to build each time when new code merges to target branch. Jenkins pipeline will fetch the script file from the source code to install packages and build artifacts, and then deploy to S3 bucket as a static host website page. For backend pipeline, it's also auto trigger to build when new code is released to the target branch. Jenkins pipeline will fetch the script file from the source code to Dockerize backend and build Docker image, and then push image to ECR and update ECS service. After all the configuration and management we have done in the AWS console, we realized it would be a better idea to use infrastructure as code to create reusable modules for higher efficiency. And then we introduced the Terraform to our project. We use the Terraform to modularize the different parts of our formal code, and then we can share code within our team and reuse them for other projects. In this project, we use the Jenkins pipeline to fetch a script file from Terraform repository to provision front-end and back-end infrastructure. We use the S3 bucket to backup state file and DynamoDB to log state status to restrict multiple users' access at a time for the same service location. For all the data security and confidentiality in all of these pipelines, we implemented the environmental variables for all of them, so there's no credentials written in source code. For monitoring, we use the CloudWatch as the data source of our Grafana and set a Grafana based on 4 golden signals to monitor latency, traffic, saturation, and error. The highlights of our project is high availability, high security, auto scaling, and monitoring to promote a better business performance and to reduce the business costs. In the future, in order to expand our business, we will use Kubernetes to manage our tasks based on the business needs. Next, please welcome Seven to present our project demo. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Christina. Next, I will give you a show of our website. First of all, it is, as you see, it is a team page of our website, which is located in the footer on the main page. Next, let me show you the sign-in system playing as a normal customer who launches our website for the first time. First, click the register button and type in your name, tel number, email, and password. Note that the password should be more than 6 characters, and one email address can only be used once to register on our website. And after the registration, the window will jump to sign in automatically. Now we can sign in easily by providing the correct info and clicking the sign in. And then our team member, Anita, will give you the rest of our presentation.
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so now we are at landing page. We can just quickly go through the page. All right, so we have different categories of services. And if you want to book a table, go to the dining section. And restaurants are shown here and telling you if they are available. And yeah, we go back to the top. We can manually search the service by selecting date, category, location, and put some keywords in and search. All right, now the system filtered matching results for us. The restaurants shown here are all available. So we can reselect date, location if you like. Okay, and search. Now this is the restaurant info and click learn more. Now we are in the booking page. We can book a time for this restaurant, but if you scroll down a bit, there's also a service list with some details. Okay, now we're back to start booking. So choose date. Yeah, it's 5. And the service. A number of people. And the number of people changes when the maximum people changes. All right, fine. And start. So before we start time booking, we can just check the filter flow chart. And I would like to book a time that is not that busy. So the x-axis means the time, and the y-axis means maximum number of service. This is an important feature when selecting time. So it's like a two-sided matching. For example, if you know when you want to have lunch, you select start time and then choose a duration. But if you have no idea when to start, you can select duration first and let the system calculate all the available start time for you. And yeah, choose one of them. And this feature is very user-friendly and add some personal details with some notes. Yes, we're almost there. So we can check order info before we confirm booking. But if you want to go back to update info, just click back. But if there's nothing changed, click submit. Now we successfully booked. You can just click on my booking to see the booking history. All right, so now we are in the booking page. All the bookings are listed here. I can check booking status by clicking the chips, and they will show you which are confirmed and which are not. But now we don't have any confirmed booking. And there is, yeah, show some details. Yeah, and there's another way to check my booking history. You can just click avatar and then select my booking in set now, so we will get the same page. But now we're going to take a look at my favorite stores. So if I have some collected stores and I can directly go into the store, click learn more and to book the service again. Okay, so now I'm going to show my stores. So assuming that I am a business owner, I'm going to edit store info. Just click on, yeah. There are 3 columns. The one on the left shows the store details. I can edit store or set trading hours by clicking calendar. The calendar do 4 things, adding, merging, syncing, and deleting. And this is the core feature developed by Derek. So let's firstly edit a time and add another time in the same day from 11 to 12 maybe. Yeah, it's okay. And if we can also fill the gap like between 10 to 11, and we call it merging. And click save. And so if the business owner would have a break, you can just delete the event we just created. And this is the deleting function. Now back to, like this. So for calendar deleting, we can delete the all day or delete particular hours like we just showed before. So now we back to this page and we add a new service. With some service name. Happy or something. So we have 3 types of duration, the unlimited, fixed, and changeable. So after selecting duration, the ending time will be automatically calculated. And we can also edit existing service, the high or any of it, and check calendar to show how to sync timetable. So we firstly create a event. And save. And now we want to sync. The calendar. So just click on the sync button. All right, I think there's something wrong with the button because you cannot sync anything before you empty the calendar. So we try again. So you have to sync if you want to sync the calendar, you have to empty the calendar and then sync. So now we have the timetable which is created. So let me explain some principles when updating the calendar. So we have 3 principles. First of all, the trading hours must be included in opening hours. The second one is you have to make sure that there's no service in trading hour when you decide to delete that service. And the last one is deleting service will not affect existing bookings, but will affect new bookings. And sometimes there will be a time delay because there are multiple adding or deleting actions they do at the same time. And yes, you can delete service if you like, just click the delete button. All right, I think that's it.